I'm Cole out here in the MetalWorks shop truck. Chevy C10, short wide box. It's got a big block 396, turbo 400 gear star transmission. Doing a little testing of the new Edelbrock Pro-Flo 4 multi-port fuel injection system. Another new product for us we're testing out in this truck is the Hooker made by Holley attitude adjuster exhaust cutouts. You can manually and automatically control the cutouts. Automatically meaning you can set them up on this provided LCD screen to where they can open up under half throttle, 3/4 throttle, full throttle, whatever you want. So that's with them closed. And open. That was just half throttle. Nice to have the old school attitude of the big block, but you get that drivability and reliability out of the Edelbrock Pro-Flo 4 multi-port fuel injection. How can you not smile at that? Let's crank it up to 10. Careful with those. Back at the shop now. Thanks for watching.